you today? Very good?
Hi.
Okay. So today's topic is the best place to stay, and we're gonna see comparative adjectives. ¿Saben qué es un adjetivo? ¿Tienen idea? ¿No es? ¿Qué es un adjetivo?
Están adjetivos calificativos.
Adjetivos calificativos. Ajá. Muy bien. Para describir, exacto. Entonces, the adjectives we use to describe people, things, and objects. Entonces, lo vamos a usar para describir lugares, personas y cosas. The comparative es lo que conocemos en español como los comparativos. Entonces, los comparative adjectives los vamos a usar para comparar dos cosas. Entonces, por ejemplo, aquí lo podríamos usar para decir, no sé, el restaurante Hook Black es más caro que Royal. Entonces, ahí estamos usando el comparativo, que es como es más que, y nuestro adjetivo, que sería caro en este caso. Entonces, we're gonna start with a little game that is called Henman o ahorcado en español.
Okay.
Entonces, lo vamos a dividir. Entonces tenemos equipo A y equipo B. ¿Les parece? Entonces, tenemos equipo A de este lado y equipo B. We're gonna have 5 rounds, and is that you have to guess the adjective. ¿Okay? Entonces les voy a escribir pues las linecitas, cómo funciona el juego de ahorcado normal. Las linecitas, les voy a escribir un adjetivo y lo van a ustedes adivinar, y si no, pues se va haciendo el ahorcado, ¿vale? Entonces van a hacer una ronda de clavo y
Ay, no, con esa voy a
y van a hacer rock, paper, scissors para ver quién empieza, ¿ok? Entonces pueden hacer primero la rondita de piedra.
Ya,
Entonces vamos a empezar con el equipo B, ¿vale? Lo voy a anotar acá.
¿Vamos a ver? Sí.
Sí, B y...
Sí, disculpa.
Sí, B y Team A.
I'm sorry.
Vamos a dibujar aquí. El ahorcado.
¿Cuánto tiempo dura la clase?
1 hora. Okay, so the first one is this adjective. You have already 5 letters. It is a C. So you have to guess. You have 3 opportunities. If you lost 3 times, you lost a point. Okay? So any letter you have to guess.
M.
N? Okay, yeah, you have an N. Very good. So we have an N. Another one? I. It's already here.
Yeah.
No, we don't have another. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We have another I. Okay. Very good.
Letter T.
Letter T. Yes. T over here. You can guess. If you have the. You have to guess the word. If you know the word, you have to guess.
U.
Yes. Si saben la palabra, la pueden decirla como al momento. Bueno, el adjetivo.
And the letter C. S.
S. You see, you have it here. S. Okay. Okay, you have one more. One more, and you.
Yes.
Enthusiastic. Yes. Oh, it was the other S.
Yeah.
Very good. You have a point. Okay, so team B have
What
one
is
point.
it from?
The pronunciation is enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic. Good. That is a person that is like happy all the time, like positive to everything that's happening. Like enthusiastic. Okay. So we're going to team A. I'm gonna write the word, okay? Okay, again. So you have three opportunities. If you lost three times, you lost the point. Okay? So we start with team A. M. N. Okay, we have an N over here. Good. Another one.
Another end.
Another N in the third line over here. Okay, yeah. Very good. You're missing two letters.
R.
R. No, we don't have an R. Okay. You have two more opportunities.
Another end.
Another N.
And here.
And here.
Here.
Okay. Aha. Very good. And the last letter. Oh. You're missing one letter.
Can you see the
You can see the complete adjective if you want. Annoying.
Annoying.
Annoying. Very good. Okay. You're almost. Well, no, almost. You almost get killed now. Okay, very good. So annoying. You know the meaning of annoying?
No.
No? Okay, annoying is like a person that is mad all the time, como molesto, como
Annoying.
que es irritante. Una persona que es molesta. Que cae mal. Okay, we're going with team B. Okay? So, okay, we're going more difficult. I'm just gonna put two letters, okay? Okay. So, any guess? A.
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 I'm
Now it's for team B. Also
Sorry.
team B, okay? Very good. A. Another guess?
M.
N. Yeah, we have an N. Here. Here. Very good. We have, yeah, we have here.
G.
G, yes, we have G. Here. Very good. Two more letters. You're missing two letters.
C and R.
C and R. Okay, very good.
Charming.
Charming.
What
What is charming? Okay, the meaning of charming, great. You have 8 points. The meaning of charming is someone that is like very caring, como que una persona como muy linda, como amable, es como un sinónimo de amable. Como una forma más linda de decir. Very good. So team A,
Así se llaman los de Pandora, ¿no? Los Charming.
los charms. Ajá, los charms.
Es Charming is like antónimo de annoying.
Yeah, it could be like an antonym of annoying. Okay, the next one. So only two letters will help you. E. Yeah. So you have M and E.
A.
A. Yes, we have an A over here. Very good. Another guess?
There's C.
Letter C. No, we don't have a letter C.
Oh my god.
You have a head now. You have two more opportunities, okay? To find three letters.
S.
S. Yes, we have an S over here. Very good. F.
F.
F. Yes. Very good. Think one more letter. Or if you know that already. Famous. Famous. Yes. Very good. Famous. Okay. So teammate, got a point. Okay. I think you already know the meaning of famous, right? No?
Yes.
Yes, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like famous. Like a famous, like a knowing person. Okay. And team B. Okay. You. Okay. Okay. So we're going with team B again. Okay, so this time I'm gonna give you the start and the end of the word. Okay?
Oh no.
You only have the letter C and D. That's the start and the end.
You.
U. U. No, we don't have a U. So you have a head. Another guess. You have D. D? Already. B. B? Ah, P, P, P. Okay. Yes. We have P. The letter P. A. A. Okay. Very good. Another guess.
R.
R. No, we don't have an R. You have a body. Okay, you have one more opportunity. Okay. Then you have the what is it?
Oh.
Timba. Oh, oh.
Answer.
Very good. Very good. Oh.
Lord. T.
T, 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 T. Very good.
M.
M, yes. Over here.
L.
L,
C.
C, yes. Over here. Very good.
Complicated.
Complicated. Very good. So you have a point for TV. Okay, now is team A opportunity. Okay, if you win this one, you have, tenemos un empate. Okay.
Es horrible. Sí, se ve horrible. Pero no se me.
Okay. So again, only the first and last letter. Okay. Oh, wait.
Just
Yeah.
check.
Okay, so you start. Okay. G and S.
Letter E.
Letter E. Yes. We have E. Very good.
R.
R. Here.
Letter N.
N. N. Yes. Very good. Okay. Oh wait, you say A, and we have another E over here. Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah. Two more letters. Two more letters. Okay.
O.
Letter O, yes. Very good. And one more. Generous. Very good. Okay, that's easy. Okay, so you wanna stop there, or we can do one more? So we have a winner. Okay.
Not sweet.
Okay, we're gonna do one more. Okay. This one is the first who raised the hand. Okay, it's gonna have the point. Okay. So we're gonna do.
It's the same numbers of chains.
You have the same opportunity. Like if you lost 3 times, you already.
For person or team?
No, for team. For team.
Oh.
Okay, so you have 3 letters. Okay, I'm gonna give you. No, I'm gonna give you 3 letters. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one, okay, raise your hand. Yes. E. 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 Very good. Yeah, again, again. R.
Ah, yeah.
R. Okay, very good. Yes,
It's perfect.
perfect.
Oh,
Okay, so I'm sorry, guys. The
Oh,
TV wins. So the TV is the winner. Okay, great. So you already know a lot of adjectives, so we can continue. Okay. So you can see on the screen over here, we have. I'm gonna show you 2 different images. Okay, so you can observe in here we have a hotel room. You can see the characteristics, everything. Okay. And then we have another room. You see the difference between this one and this one?
The manual color is more.
The size.
Size.
Okay. And what else? What else?
The concept of the room.
The concept of the room, very good. Okay, so if I ask you which room is bigger, B, letter B, very good. Okay, very good. Now we have the second image. So we have the room number 1 and room number 2. Also, you can see a lot of difference in here.
Oh my god.
So what do you think? Room 1? What are you
The number 1 is more
More expensive.
expensive? Very good. It's more expensive than the room number 2.
expensive and modern.
In modern, yeah, this one is modern. Yeah. Okay, so which one is cheaper? In this case, expensive, and the Antonym is cheaper. So which one? 1 or 2?
Expensive numbers.
Number 2. Okay, cheaper and
Cheaper.
number 1. Right. Okay, so you can see we use bigger and cheaper. So you already know, already use the correct way to say. You say is more expensive. So you use more expensive. This way you are already using the comparative adjective because more and more expensive than. Entonces, aquí es como les decía lo de el restaurante. Hook Black es más caro que Royal. En este caso, aquí ya lo están usando. It's more expensive than Royal. Ajá. Hook Black is more expensive than Royal. Okay, so you already use it, but we're gonna see a little bit about the rules of this because if you see in here we write bigger with a double G, and here just cheaper. So we're gonna explain a little bit about the rules that you need. Okay, so the structure is we have our subject. In here it could be la persona, el objeto, el lugar, lo que quieran poner, our subject. Then we have the verb be, that is here and there. Is, are, o, am. Okay. Is the comparative. The comparative adjective. And then we have or done. I'm gonna write it over here. Done. And then the other subject, that is the one that you're comparing with. Okay. So we have like this. Aquí van a usar pues el sujeto que ya vamos a usar de nuevo la oración que les di primero, ¿vale? Para con esa guía pues, más o menos. Entonces we have our first subject, that is cook black. Then we have the verb to be. In this case, we're gonna say cook black restaurant. Is. And the comparative adjective, which one do you want to use? Like expensive, or es más grande, o es más moderno también, cualquiera. Modern. Is modern. Then royalty restaurant. Okay. Great. Okay. So in this case, which is important that you know and that you remember is the then. We're gonna use it every single time because it's the same that in Spanish we say es más que. Entonces is more than. Entonces en este caso el than siempre, siempre, siempre va a ir en oración. Entonces siempre lo van a usar de esa forma. Ay, ¿puedo borrar ya? Perdón. ¿Ya? Okay. So now we're going with the rules. We have some rules. In this case, if we have short adjectives, it's a little complicated, but if you learn the rules, you're gonna be okay. Okay. So we have tall, for example. We have tall. We have fast. That is short adjective is one. It's de una sílaba. Okay. Entonces tenemos una sílaba. Short adjectives. Tall, fast, y small. We're going with small. Okay. So in this case, when it's a short adjective, we're gonna add er. So in this case, tall goes like taller, fast, faster, very good. And then we have small, smaller, very good. Every single time that you have a short adjective, you're just gonna add er. Taller, smaller, and faster. Okay? You can write and we can continue. Okay. So now, if we have adjectives that finish in Y, we're gonna change it for I-E-R, okay? So we're gonna replace the Y for an I. So we have, for example, happy. So we have happy, for example. We have happy, we have easy. So if we eliminate, yeah, we eliminate the y, and so we have happier. Very good. And in this case, the same. Easier. Very good. So we have happier and easier. This also, if you wanna use it, the same. Happier than or easier than. Okay. Okay, the next one is the adjective finished with consonant, vowel, consonant, consonante, vocal, consonante. Vamos a doblar la última consonante. ¿Qué es lo que pasa con big? Entonces tenemos big, si se dan cuenta es consonante, vocal, consonante. Entonces doblamos nuestra última consonante y por eso es que pasa como big. En este caso nada más agregamos la R, que es lo que estamos agregando en todos, pero con la consonante doblada. Entonces tenemos bigger. Otro ejemplo puede ser hot. The same thing. Hot, consonante, vocal, consonante. So we have hotter. Hotter. Very good. And fat also. Fat, consonante, vocal, consonante. Fat. Double T and E. Fatter. Okay, until here, everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and the last rule is when we have long adjectives. The long adjectives are two or more syllables. So we have si tenemos dos o más sílabas, es cuando entran long. So we have, for example, beautiful, or also comfortable. In this case, it changed a little bit because what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use more first. More, that is what you already used, and plus the adjective. So in this case, we're not gonna change the adjective. The adjective it goes normal, like beautiful or comfortable, but on the sentence you're gonna use more beautiful, more beautiful than, or more comfortable, comfortable than. That's what you use in here. It's more. How would you say more? Expensive was, or which one was? Which one is cheaper or which one is expensive? Expensive, it cannot go like expensive, so it goes like more expensive than. Okay? So that's the rule. Okay? So in this one, with that rules, if we have Jeff and Ben, who is taller or who is smaller? How would you say that? With the structure that I already said, that is subject. You refer?
More taller than Ben.
Perfect. Jeff is more taller than Ben. And using smaller, what could be the sentence?
This is more than
Ben is smaller than Jeff. Yeah, very good. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna give you some worksheets. So we have this one. Like it's cool. And this one. Thank you. And I'm gonna use I think. Okay. Okay, you have to put the name, the date. Remember that today is 20 April. Okay. And 2020. So we have in the first one, we have complete the next sentence with the comparative of the verb in brackets and add done to the follow structure. So in this case, you have to do the same that we did in here. That is, Jeff is taller than Ben, or Ben is smaller than Jeff. So if you have, I don't know if you have any doubt with vocabulary, algo que no entiendan, alguna duda que tengan de los adjetivos que tenemos aquí. ¿Alguna duda? ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Yo les doy unos 10 minutitos. No, 5, tomen 5. ¿Y su duda? Para contestarlo. Gracias a todos. Weather es como el clima. Peor.
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 ¿Y es?
Como se está volviendo. En este caso está la de sí, porque es cuando hacemos el cuarto del tweet, es decir, como el.
Puede ser the weather is getting worse. ¿Cómo se escribe caballo? Pensé que era
Horse.
caballo.
Así, pero con H.
Ah, sí.
Ujú. Desde hasta el número 2, el número 3, les voy a leer un fragmento de una historia y ya con eso van a conocer. Entonces, te voy a dar números. stone es piedra. Madera.
Como si fuera no, piedra y madera.
Madera. Stone es piedra. Wood, madera.
Look son blocks.
Lux. Ajá.
Blocks. Son blocks.
No, lux es como mirar, pero para la tercera persona. Recuerda, cuando tenemos la tercera persona, agregamos la S. Entonces, como aquí es. ah, Estamos hablando para terceras personas y cuando hablamos de cosas. Entonces, como la cama es una cosa, que es cuando usamos el verbo to be is, entonces, pues, lux, que es como mirar o observar.
Yo también.
Es hasta la parte 2. Solo para
Yo
que
quiero ver.
¿Uno y dos? Solo 1 y 2.
Okay.
Getting es como se está volviendo.
Ah, ok.
Okay, so you're ready with the first part?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we're gonna start. The first one is I'm my brother. The verb is short. So okay. Shorter. Shorter. So I'm shorter than. So I'm shorter than my brother. And the next one is this jacket is the
Cheaper than.
cheaper. Okay. Cheaper than. Mm-hmm. And the next one, those are
More friendly.
friendlier than. No, en este caso, ajá, sí podemos usar. Very good. And the next one, windsurfing is
More.
more exciting than golf. Very good. And the next one, Cosmo is than Susie.
Older.
Older than. Okay. Older than. The next one, this car is the car.
Bigger.
More expensive.
Yeah, yeah.
More
It goes like that.
More
This
expensive.
car is more expensive than that car. And your house is ours.
More
Bigger.
Bigger than. In this case, we double B. So bigger than. Okay. It's more is bigger than ours. And the number 9, the blue dress is
easier than.
nicer.
Easier.
Nicer. Nicer than the blue one. And no, sorry, red one.
Nicer.
Yeah, the blue dress is nicer than the red one. Yeah, it looks like this one. Yeah.
Introduction is English is.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I skipped that one. We're gonna erase this. Sorry, yeah. And yeah, we have English is German. So we have is easier than German. What do you think? Is easier? You think English is easy? Yeah. No. Más o menos. Okay, so now we have the blue dress.
The blue dress is more nicer.
Nicer than, yeah. Is nicer than. When you use the nicer, well, the ER, you don't need to add the more. So in this case, it's only nicer than, not more nicer. Okay? The more is only for big adjectives. And the next one, a cheetah is a lion.
Faster than.
Faster than. Cheetah is faster than a lion. Very good. And the number 11, a snake is a crocodile.
China.
Thinner.
China. China.
Tuna.
Delgado. Thinner than a crocodile. And the number 12, a gorilla is a monkey.
Stronger.
Very good. Stronger. Very good. Okay, so now we go with the second part. You ready for the second part?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we have rewrite the following sentence in the correct order. So the first one is worse, then getting, and weather. So
The weather's horse.
the weather is getting worse.
The weather's getting
The weather is
worse.
getting worse. Very good. And the next one, Clau, you have that one? So we have both paper more is than he expects.
I don't know.
No, you don't have that one. Okay.
Gold is more expensive than paper.
Gold is more expensive than paper. Very good. And the number 3. Yes, you have the number 3.
You are stronger than me.
You are stronger than me. Very good. Okay, the next one. You have who has the number 4?
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better. Very good. And number 5.
And giraffes are taller than lions.
Giraffes are taller than lions. Very good. And number 6.
Yeah, stone is heavier
Heavier.
than wood.
And wood. Stone is heavier than wood. Very good. And okay. And number 8 is more your mind that book interesting it is.
Book is more interesting than your mind.
No.
Your book is more interesting
interesting
than
me.
mine.
Never mind. Your book. Okay. Yeah. In this case, yeah, your book. Your book. And is more interesting.
Mine.
Mine. Very good. So in this case, remember that these ones son para cuando son describir cosas que pertenecen a la persona. Entonces, your book es como tu libro y mine, mi libro. Entonces, tu libro es más interesante que el mío. Okay, now for the part number 3, you have to listen to a reading about 2 tourists and their vacations. And then you have to identify the comparative sentence and the adjectives that are used to compare the 2 hotels. So I'm gonna read a little history, and you're gonna write when you hear, for example, faster or shorter or cheaper or more exciting o cositas así. Cuando ustedes escuchen el comparativo, lo van a escribir. ¿Están listos? Entonces, are you ready? You ready? Okay. I'm gonna start reading. I'm gonna read it twice so you can hear it better. Okay. So last summer, Anna and Luis went on vacations to different places. Anna stayed in a small hotel near the beach, while Luis stayed in a big hotel in the city. Anna's hotel was quieter and more relaxing, and it was closer to the beach. Louis' hotel, on the other hand, was busier and noisier, but it was more modern and had more services. Louis paid less for his hotel, it was cheaper, but Anna's room was more comfortable and nicer. The bed was softer. And in the end, both enjoyed their vacations, but Anna liked calm places, while Louis preferred places that were more active and exciting. That's it. So I'm gonna read it one more time so you can check your answers. Okay. Again, so last summer, Anna and Luis went on vacations to different places. Anna stayed in a small hotel near the beach, while Luis stayed in a big hotel in the city. Anna's hotel was quieter and more relaxing, and it was closer to the beach. Luis' hotel, on the other hand, was busier and noisier, but it was more modern and had more services. Louis paid less for his hotel. It was cheaper, but Anna's room was more comfortable and nicer. The bed was softer. In the end, both enjoyed their vacation, but Anna liked calm places more, while Louis preferred places that were more active and exciting. Okay. So, okay, you can mention some of the comparative adjectives that you hear.
Nicer.
Nicer, very good.
Small,
Small, big,
relaxing,
more
Quiet.
fire, very good.
More
Noisier.
service.
More service,
Comfortable.
comfortable, very good. More comfortable,
cheaper,
cheaper, very good.
exciting,
Exciting,
Noisier.
noisier, very good.
cheaper. What?
Cheaper, you already mentioned, very good. Okay, very good. And so the last part is that you have to compare the following image and make 3 sentences. You're gonna do the same that we did in these ones. So you say which one, you say number 1 is cheaper than number 2. No? Is what you're gonna have to do in these 2 images. But you have to do 3 sentences. So for example, in here, you can write room number 1 is cheaper than room number 2, or room number 2 is modern than number 1. Or you can write room number 2 is bigger than room number 1. So you have to do that with your images that you have. Okay. 3 sentences. Here, I'm gonna write the 3 examples so you can guide that way. Number 1 is cheaper than number 2. Okay, so in here we have the examples with room number 1 and room number 2. So we have room number 1 is cheaper than room number 2. Room number 2 is bigger than room number 1. Room 2 is more comfortable than number 1. Okay, so something like that is what you have to do. So you can tell me when you finish.
Yes.
So we can check. Okay, Elsa, could you tell me your 3 sentences?
Room number 1. Ay, es que es casi lo mismo.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine.
Room number 1 is bigger than number 2.
Yeah.
Number 2 is more beautiful than number 1.
Mhm.
Number 1 is more comfortable than room 2.
Okay, very good. Just remember it's comfortable. Comfortable, not comfortable. Comfortable.
Okay.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Very good. Okay, correct. Who else wanna share?
No.
Yes.
Cheap.
Okay.
Drive-thru is faster than restaurant service.
Very good.
Restaurant service is more comfortable than drive-thru.
Yeah, okay. And that's it. Okay. Fine,
Kyoto is more comfortable than restaurant. Kyoto is bigger than restaurant. And
Okay.
the restaurant is more active than hotel.
fine. Very good. And
Yeah, restaurant service is more expensive than drive-thru service.
okay, very good.
Drive-thru service is
¿Qué puse?
faster than restaurant.
Faster, yeah, very good.
Restaurant service is more comfortable
Comfortable.
than drive-thru service.
That's right, true service. Very good. Okay. And you have any doubt? Everything's clear? You have any doubt about the topic? No? Everything's good? Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Yay!